Hi guys, I'm Nidhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you guys can read from the title of this video, today's video is an unboxing video. I got some makeup stuff, so I decided to shoot a video where I'm unboxing them. For that I ordered some stuff from Nykaa and some other stuff I got from stores and stuff. So I'll talk about that later in the video. And I just included me opening them, and I use a bit different method of sort of editing this video. So I hope you guys will like that. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video, guys.
Hi guys, so this is the box which came and I'll be using sort of the nail cutter for cutting it, I guess.
2,000 years later.
So I finally figured out how to open the thing, like the nail cutter part, and after that I'm just gonna be opening this box. I'm just showing a time lapse because I sort of struggled with opening that, so let's just watch the time lapse. So this was how the packaging came, and guys, this is not a promotion video, this is just all the stuff I bought and I just wanted to do an unboxing. So that was a mascara, this is an eyeshadow palette, and I'll show you guys each of the colors and my skin later, but here's just how it looks. And the last thing which came, and that was actually free, I got that free, and it's some liquid metallic lipstick or something. It's by Nykaa only, like all three products which I got were from Nykaa. So this is the one. It's a mini one actually. I'm so happy that I got some free stuff because we all love free stuff, right guys? So that's how it looks. So here's how it looks. I'm just going to put that back in the box. So now onto the eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to be putting it onto my skin now. These are the different sort of colors. I don't know why I did that, but that was not going to get the colors off my fingers anyways. But I still did whatever that was. In this, there were actually the shimmery sort of colors also, as well as some, darker colors and, more lighter colors. I'll write down the exact things which I bought in the description box down below. And as you guys just saw, my fingers was totally covered and all of that. And I'm just gonna package it exactly how it came because I'm scared I'm gonna break anything because I'm needy and that just happens. Next up is a mascara, and here I'm just gonna try and open it, which I'm again struggling with, I guess. But I finally managed to figure out how to do it. And this is the sort of brush. Just gonna put it there because why not? I don't know why I spread that later, but that's just what I did. Here is a bit more of me trying to get that plastic thing off. And these are all of the things, guys. This is just me showing that, I guess. So here are the three sort of lipsticks which I got also. This is a more on the purple side, and I got this from Westside actually. So this is how it looks. It's actually looking way darker than it actually is on the sort of camera, but it's a bit more lighter than that. These other two ones, that one was a liquid one, these are not, and I got these from Zudio, and I really like the colors, so I just bought them. This is how it looks. Let me know down in the comments which product was you guys' favorite. And I'm also gonna put the sticker right back there. I'll remove it later, guys. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave it that way. Because I'm just gonna do that. I don't even know why. This is the other color. And as I mentioned before, I'll tell you guys the exact shades down in the comments. I mean in the description box, not the comments, so you guys can check that out there. So these are all of the stuffs in total, like the makeup stuff. That's a lip balm which I just added. I got that from Mahabaleshwar actually. I'm just gonna use this like frog purse thing, I guess, from when I was a kid, and just put all of the stuffs in there. That is my makeup pouch for now. And we're done, guys.
If you made it so far into my video, thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope that you guys like this video, because this is a bit different video where I unbox makeup which I've not done before. And comment down below if you guys would like me to sort of try out all of the makeup products on my face. And also comment down below what more videos you guys would like to watch further in my sort of future content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you guys have already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, bye guys.